Well, good morning. Welcome to the Southampton Boat Show. In case you weren't able to get here, we thought we'd make this short video and show you around the boats. My name is Roger, and you can call me anytime. Anyway, let's have a look around the boats. Follow me. So let's take a look at our two boats. We've got a Yarmouth 23 and our Yarmouth 22. Let's start with Yulia, our Yarmouth 23, and let's take a look around the deck. Our boatyard is in Sri Lanka, which enables us to get this most beautiful teak. This particular boat has got Burma teak throughout the deck, on the hatch, and all around the side decks. And notice the beautiful wide side decks. We call them our sun decks. This is where you can lay out and sunbathe when you're at anchor. On the bow, a comfortable and safe anchor well, also a great place to sit. And you see the Yarmouth 23 has a bowsprit with twin headsails, a jib and a staysail. Both are furling. The mast sits on a tabernacle, which enables you to lower the mast. The mast is in spruce, and by using the lifting bowsprit, you can use that to help you lower the mast onto the mast crutch. No need for a topping lift, because when you're not using the sail, the mast sits nicely on the crutch. A deep, safe and dry cockpit with good sized lockers under the seats on each side. And let's go into the boat and have a look inside. So let's take a look inside. There under the hatch is space for all your instruments, and as we step down below, there's the galley, and this rather neat top opens up, and there inside, with last night's washing up, there's a neat little hob and sink all in set. Close the lid, and you've got a nice navigation tank. Opposite the galley is very functional, very neat, very cosy. Little heads and shower. And it's not large, but it's functional and it works. When we come inside, we've got nice, comfortable accommodation with seats, and there under the seats in the cabin are the trotter boxes, which can be made as deep as you want. So we could even make that deep enough for a 7-foot man to fit inside. Behind the seats, a nice neat bit of storage. We go into the fore cabin, nice and bright, 6'4" berths, a centre infill to make that into a double, with an escape hatch above. From the saloon, there's our steps going back out through the hatch outside. And I'm just going to show you this neat little table, which fits both outside and inside. The cockpit table is rather neat. It fits on a bracket below, and as you can see, it slides out into almost any position. And we're pleased to have aboard today Mr. Anil Fernando, who is the chairman of Nil Marine in Sri Lanka. Good morning, Mr. Fernando.
Good morning.
So let's take a look at the Yarmouth 22. The Yarmouth 22 is identical hull below the rubbing strake, but it's more of a weekender really than the Yarmouth 23, or she can be fitted out for longer term cruising. She's a Bermudan rig boat and very easy to manage single-handed. The same deep and safe cockpit, a large aft deck and a large aft locker. An attractive, sporty looking blister top, and on the bow, she doesn't come with an anchor locker, which gives us more space in the forepeak. We keep the anchor in a bucket in the aft cabin, but we could fit an anchor locker to her. Easy to manage single-handed. Let's take a look below. So fitted out as a weekender with space for a small hob and space for a small sink that has a top on it, which can also be used as a navigating table. Enormous berths in the forepeak. The berths are 6 foot 4 inches, and if we come inside, the quarter berths are 7 foot, so plenty of space for even the tallest yachtsman. The Beta Marine 13.5 engine sits behind those steps. And standing headroom for over 6 foot. So there we are, the Yarmouth 22 and the Yarmouth 23 at the Southampton Boat Show. Please